The best social media management tools you need right now as a social media manager or a content creator, also for someone who is trying to grow on social media. If you're finding it hard to grow on social media, whether it's content creation, you really need a tool. We have all been there, especially me. When you are trying to grow on social media and everything looks so hectic, everything looks so difficult, it is because you are not leveraging some tools that are supposed to like make it easy for you to be able to manage social media efficiently, especially as a social media manager. You need a tool that will support you. And that is exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. These tools are beginner friendly. So don't worry if you are someone that you have not handled any tool before, you can be able to use this. And some of them, most of them actually is free. Honestly, when I became a social media manager, I was winging it. I was not using any tool. In fact, I believe that I couldn't afford most tools. I don't even know where to start from because I don't know the tools that I need. Now, this made me to struggle with my growth. I was very slow. I was going very slowly because I didn't have any support. Everything got so much better at the very moment I started using tools. Now, finding these tools took a while because I had to dive in, do some research. That is how I figured out some of these tools. And now, the moment I started using these tools, trust me, everything became better. I was getting more clients. I was working efficiently. Let's not even talk about the moment I had to manage 8 brands. Guys, I had to manage 8 different brands, their Instagram, their Facebook, their TikTok. Oh my God, it was a lot, including their LinkedIn. That means each brand had like 3 social media platforms I had to manage. And do you think I was able to do this all by myself? No, I was able to achieve this, work efficiently, achieve better results for my clients because I had wonderful tools by my side supporting me and making the process seamless. And those are the tools I'm going to share with you because I really understand the struggle. So if there's anybody that will tell you exactly the tools that you need, that will not even cost you, that is free, that will be very helpful, it is me because these tools actually saved me. I went from being confused and disorganized to being organized and working more efficiently. So if you're interested in learning about these tools, especially as a social media manager, you want to be handling clients, you want to be managing different platforms, make sure to watch this video to the very end. Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm a social media manager. I am here to teach you how to use social media the right way. If you're interested in growing on social media and monetizing, whether as a social media manager, a content creator, or a business owner, this channel is for you. And trust me, you do not want to miss the videos that I always post here every Thursday. So if you want to start growing on social media and you need guides, you need tips, you need strategies that are working, this channel is for you. All you have to do to join the community is to subscribe right now and turn on the post notification so that you can be notified whenever there is a new helpful video for you. First up, Metricool. Metricool is one of my favorite tools to use. I have so many stories to tell you, but before I dive into that, let me quickly share with you how beginner friendly this tool is. Even if you have never used it before, you can be able to use Metricool at a snap of a finger. You can use it to pull up your analytics, manage multiple platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, and all of that. It will let you handle everything from its dashboard. And you know the best part? It is free. You can easily have access to most of the features if you are just getting started. Now, let me tell you, when I was starting out as a social media manager, I needed to be reporting analytics, insights to my client just to be able to show them the result that I was getting for them. Now, I didn't know about Metricool, and guess what? I was traumatized, I was stressed because Instagram inbuilt analytics and all this other social media platform was not cutting it for me, and it was so stressful. I didn't even know how to do it. And as of then, so many social media managers were also like struggling, trying to find a way around it. Now, this made me appear less professional when I was reporting my data, like the result that I've gotten from my clients. I didn't like this feeling until I started researching and I stumbled upon Metricool. Metricool took me from being disorganized to organized, and I was so freaking excited. All I had to do is to get on the platform, inside the Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, whatever platform I was using for my clients, and then it's going to dive deep inside and bring out all the analytics, all the details, everything accurate, making it look so appealing, professional. Everything about Metricool is so freaking cool. So it made me look really professional. And from that moment, my clients started seeing me as like, oh my God, this girl is getting so much result for us. So now when they check the analytic I send to them, it is more organized, it is more clear, they understand what I'm talking about, and that makes them feel like they are paying me enough to get them enough results. You get me? So you too, you have to start leveraging Metricool, especially when it comes to checking your analytics to know what works and what doesn't. The key features I love so much about Metricool is easy scheduling and reporting, multi-platform support, and free plan to get access to most of these features. So make sure to go get you a Metricool and start using the free version if you can't afford the paid one. Next up, Buffer. Buffer is an amazing tool. It has been here over the years. It is user friendly. You can be able to use it even if you have never used any tool before. It makes scheduling easy because it has a scheduling option. Buffer is for anyone who wants to streamline their posting schedule, check their analytics, and be able to collaborate with members in their community or in their team. Now, do you know the best part? You can be able to manage at least 3 different platforms on Buffer for free. So that means if you're getting started and you cannot afford to get the paid version, you can still be able to use Buffer to manage at least 3 platforms right now. Key features of Buffer: scheduling posts across platforms, analyzing performance and engagement, free plan for up to 3 social media platforms of your choice. Now that brings us to Canva, the third tool. This is actually one of my favorite apps when it comes to designing. Oh my god, Canva makes everything so easy for you. If you're someone that you have never designed a graphic before, you can be able to do that because Canva offers free templates that all you just have to do is to drag and drop, replace your brand color, add your font, and before you know it, you are done. So if you're looking to create visuals for your posts, your stories, your ads, Canva is here to save the day. The best part of Canva is that it makes you look professional, makes you look presentable, and it keeps your page aesthetically pleasing. And who doesn't like that? Now, if you want to go beyond all this, you can be able to get the Canva Pro. This is where you're going to have more varieties of templates to use, more features to play around with. Even if you cannot afford the paid version, the free version is eventually going to get the job done. So just go for the one that works for you and your budget. Key features of Canva that I love so much: templates for social media posts, stories, and ads, easy drag and drop tools. Oh my god, they make it so easy for you to design, and I love it so much. And my favorite part, easy plan for you to access all the key features that can help you get started and achieve the result that you're looking for on Canva. Let's talk about CapCut and edits. I'm going to categorize them in the same section, making it the next two. Now, CapCut and edit is used for like editing your videos, all those reels that you see, TikTok videos. You can edit all of them, but the transitions you see, all those clicks, sound, everything that looks really lovely that you admire in people's content, you can use CapCut to edit that. You know the exciting part, even beginners can be able to use it. CapCut is very easy to use. Even this video you're watching right now was edited on CapCut. So you can be able to edit both long form and short form video for free. They actually have different features. They have different features that you can try out. Some are paid, some are free. But the thing is that you can get a job done on CapCut even if you can't afford the paid version. Like me, most of the time I use the free version and it's still getting the job done. So you too, you can start using CapCut to edit your videos. But recently, something crazy happened. Instagram released a new editing app called Edit, and trust me, they did not come to play. Now, CapCut has a competitor called Edit. Is Edit fantastic? Is it going to cut through the noise? Yes, Edit has most of the features that CapCut has. You can be able to easily edit your videos, add the sounds, add the transition, do whatever you want. Very easy to use as well. Like the first time I used Edit, it felt like I've been using Edit in a very long time. But the most lovely thing about using Edit right now is that Edit has different tabs. Inspiration tab, where you're going to like see other people's content and get inspired by their content to become more creative. You also have tabs to show you your analytics from Instagram, all the posts that you have saved. So Edit is not just an editing app. It has other features that you can also try out. So if you're someone that you really want to start creating more of video content, you have to try out these two tools, CapCut and Edit. Trust me, you're going to find it user friendly and you're going to love the result that you get from it. Another amazing tool is Hootsuite. It is very popular in the market and it is used to manage social media. Like it does literally everything social media management. So you can use it to manage your social media. The best part is that they can allow you to manage at least 2 profiles for free on Hootsuite. So even if you cannot afford their paid version, you can be able to use Hootsuite to manage 2 social media profiles of your choice. It is not wonderful because I'm loving it already. So even if you cannot really get the paid version, you can still use Hootsuite, get all the features and use it to get the same result that people that has the paid version are getting by just having access to like managing 2 profiles for a start. Now let's talk about the features. You can use Hootsuite to schedule, check your analytics, and monitor tools. Again, you can manage two social media profiles for free. Now, my favorite feature is the fact that you can use Hootsuite to schedule multiple posts at the same time. It makes everything freaking easy. And trust me, you really need to get this. And this one is specifically for social media managers. You're handling different accounts. Now, let's talk about Later. Later is an amazing tool. If you use Instagram more, you have to get Later as one of your favorite tools because on Later, you can be able to like schedule your content, drag and drop content, and schedule it. It is very good for scheduling photos, carousel videos, especially on Instagram. In fact, specifically on Instagram. Later will serve you better on Instagram. Also, you can easily drag and drop your content in your content calendar from Later. Now, my favorite part, Later free plan offers you 30 posts per month. That means you can be able to like schedule post 30 posts per month. Imagine having access to like posting 30 different posts. Like you can use their platform to post 30 or schedule 30 different posts. That is really amazing. And I think you guys are going to love it. Key features of Later, it has virtual content calendar. You can be able to schedule posts on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And my favorite part, free plan for 30 posts per month. Is this not lovely? So start leveraging Later right now. The last but not the least tool you can use to manage your social media, especially Instagram. In fact, this tool is meant for Instagram. If you're not using Instagram, talking about this tool, say goodbye to this tool. But if you're an Instagram person, you manage Instagram a lot, go and get you this tool. This tool is called Planoly. This is the perfect tool for you to manage your Instagram with ease without stress. You know, Instagram is all about aesthetic, and that is what this tool is all about. It's going to help make your visuals really appealing, give you the aesthetics that you're looking for, make your page really, really presentable. And you know, right now, if you're not talking aesthetics, people are going to scroll past your content. In fact, they will not even love to follow you. But when people come to your page and it's organized and it's aesthetically pleasing, oh my God, best believe they are going to follow you because they love the ambience, they love the vibe of your page. So if you want to really have a great aesthetically pleasing vibe on your Instagram, you have to download Planoly. It's an amazing tool. So one thing Planoly does is that it will help you organize your grid, schedule your posts, post your content, and make sure everything looks really amazing. The lovely part, Planoly actually offers a free plan for beginners, and it also helps you schedule your posts just in case you don't want to use any of the other platforms I've already told you. You can still use Planoly to schedule your posts on Instagram. Now let's talk about the key features of Planoly. Instagram focus scheduling. I love this one and you're going to love it too. Next is the virtual grid planner. It will help you plan your grid, make it aesthetically pleasing like I said before. And my favorite part, which is the 30 posts per month, just like the other platform I just spoke about last, you can be able to like post 30 posts in a month using Planoly as well. So there you have it. If you're looking for an easy way to manage your social media without breaking the bank, these tools are going to come in handy and help you make everything less stressful, so much easier, and then you can work efficiently from there. I personally recommend that you try out all these tools and give me feedback on how much you are loving it. If this video was helpful to you, helping you find the right tools to be able to grow on social media, make sure to subscribe right now. That is exactly how you can support me, helping me grow this channel. And do not forget to comment your favorite tool. If you have already used any of these tools, you're loving it, give me your feedback in the comment section. Of course, if you have any question on social media management, anything that you're struggling with that you would need clarity on, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'm going to like answer all your questions. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye!